Today did feature some occasional wet weather. The higher levels of humidity and temperatures topping out near 80 degrees as some sunshine has peeked back into the picture. One of those days I told you we'd be having many dry hours to get some outdoor activities in, but our next round of rain is going to be approaching this evening. We do have some low 80s from Findlay to Ottawa, some low 70s across southern Michigan, and if you're up in Monroe, 66 degrees, a bit of a cooler feel in that direction. And the bottom line is things are going to stay unsettled the next 24 to 48 hours. It won't be continuous rainfall. We'll get numerous chances of it, though. Pretty good flow out of the Gulf of Mexico and a couple areas of low pressure. One that's going to be working into the lower Great Lakes tonight. Another trailing system that will work in Thursday night into Friday will bring at least several chances of rain and storms. A couple storms that are beginning to fire now. Cincinnati down toward Dayton and headed toward Indianapolis. So this is going to be an area northwest Ohio, northern Indiana. Specifically, I think the bigger threats Fort Wayne and west of a couple strong storms this evening. But it is an area being monitored by the Storm Prediction Center as we speak. If I take you south, though, this is the cluster of storms I'm watching. Dayton down toward Cincinnati, out toward Oxford and back toward Indianapolis. These clusters of storms are the ones that are drifting north and will be headed into our area as we go near and after dark. The only active rain I have right now is in between Stryker and West Unity, and we do have a few of those isolated showers that are moving through. So what's the latest timing of all this rain? We've got meteorologist John Birchfield in. And John, you're breaking down the hour-by-hour forecast. You and I both know timing of these kinds of pop-up storms can be very tricky, to say the least.
Yeah, Chris, the strongest of those storms are likely to roll in between now and sunset, although we could still a few isolated rumbles of thunder through about midnight tonight. Occasional strong storms to the south and west of Toledo, primarily to the west of the I-75 corridor. The occasional strong storm through the evening hours. Overnight tonight, a few rain showers may linger, but no hazardous weather to worry about while you're sleeping tonight. And Thursday, additional chances of thunder and rain showers will return to the picture as this unsettled weather pattern continues. Let's talk hourly timing. That activity that is currently in Indiana is going to make its way into far northwest Ohio right around sundown. Again, a few of those storms could be strong to borderline severe. Through midnight, the storms do dissipate a little bit, but still the occasional rumble of thunder, again, primarily west of the Toledo metro, continuing through the early part of the overnight. Heading towards your Thursday morning, the showers do start to lighten up a bit, but by Thursday afternoon, more showers and storms could develop. Here's a breakdown of the next 36 hours as we head towards the holiday weekend. Through midnight, strong storms will be possible, heavy downpours and some gusty winds in the mix. Looking ahead to tonight, a few rain showers continue and damp weather continues through the commute. Thursday is looking showery as well, with more thunder showers into the afternoon. And Chris, with all these rounds of rain, many folks may be wondering, how much rain are we going to get? What's the latest on the rainfall totals and forecast?
Yeah, it's been kind of an anxious, tense moment for a lot of the area farmers, hasn't it been, John?
For sure, it has been. We did get that nice sunny week, but now back to the wet weather, and we've got the latest rainfall map, too, coming up.
I know many of them were really rushing to get the crops in and the farm fields planted. So here's how much more we're expecting. More storms expected, and this will include tonight, tomorrow, into Thursday and Friday. An inch or more of rainfall still will be possible. And I'll run the numbers through here. It all depends on where we get the more persistent, heavier downpours, but the potential is widespread rainfall totals that could top out over 1 inch. That's all totaled from tonight, Thursday, and into Friday, so it's a good 48-hour rainfall total. We're close to 80 for Thursday. We're going to have on and off showers and storms. And again, a day Thursday that it will not rain the entire day, but we'll get a couple rounds of showers and storms. More showers that will be expected on Friday, back in the lower 70s. 70s to start the holiday weekend, and we're expecting dry weather from one end of the weekend to the other. So if you've got your barbecue or picnic plans or thinking boating on Lake Erie or on the Maumee River, low 80s by Sunday, 90 expected as we get into Monday, and a heat wave that's going to be working in the first one of the season. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're going to be seeing highs that will reach into the low 90s. It'll be hot and humid, good chance to really get that air conditioner cranking with that heat. But dry weather is expected Memorial Day weekend. The coolest of the 3 weekend days, Saturday. The warmest is going to be Monday. Memorial Day parades, you may be sweating it out.
This never happens in Northwest Ohio.
With 3 dry days?
I mean, no, just having the hot on Memorial Day. It's always one of those holidays around here.
I feel like it's always extreme. It's either cold and wet or it's hot
You got
and
to pick
dry.
the right side of the street when you watch the parade. I do remember that.
Good advice.
Yeah.